Indexes in MongoDB act similarly to indexes in any other database management system. MongoDB uses indexes to prevent scanning every document in every collection to return results. Provided an appropriate index exists, the database can use the index to limit the number of accessible documents. MongoDB comes with multiple index types. Users of MongoDB will be familiar with a single field index, compound index, multi-key index, geospatial index, text index, hashed index, and a clustered index. Unknown fields can be indexed with a wildcard index type. When it comes to a single field index, such indexes can be created on any field in a document. Such indexes help if your application repeatedly queries data from the same field. An example shown on the screen would create a single field index on demo field. To create a compound index, you need data from 2 or more fields in each document in a collection. To create a compound index, define multiple fields and their sort orders. Compound indexes support sort operations that match either the sort order of the index or the reverse sort order of the index. Multi-key indexes help queries with array fields. To create a multi-key index, create an index on a field that contains an array value. If you want to index geographical objects that are stored as GeoJSON objects, consider using a geospatial index. Such indexes can either be defined by using the 2D or 2D sphere index definition. Text indexes in MongoDB can be used to create index contents explicitly containing text, that is, strings. To define such an index, specify the field and include text in quotes. MongoDB hashed indexes store hashes of the values of the indexed field. MongoDB recommends using hashed indexes for fields like the object ID values or timestamp values. To create a hashed index, specify hashed as the value of the index key. Finally, MongoDB also provides support for wildcard indexes. Such indexes use the wildcard specifier as the index key and should be used when fields that you need to index are known or may change. Use indexes in MongoDB thoughtfully and carefully because all indexes impact writing operations, making them slower. Aside from that, exercise caution when defining and using them, make sure to test all implications of indexes locally before deploying them in a live environment, and until next time.